Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. In today's newspaper of Thursday, yes, it's still Thursday, April the 18th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles here. The regular puzzle 3 stars, as also the 4-star Sudoku regular puzzle. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not all, not now, but in the evening. Yeah, in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've told you earlier, WordPress photo is published, and you can guess what kind of photo the winning photo is. Yeah, it's the grief and the sorrow about the loss of a child in Gaza. Yes, it's the war in Israel. Yeah, a lot of children died there. Anyway, let me continue with this puzzle. Tectonic, 3 stars, number 8384. Okay, before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. That's a lot, 16. Usually, this is indicated with 3 stars. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So I don't think it's a 3 stars. Maybe a 1 star, maybe a 2 stars, but not a 3 stars. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For a 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this is a 2 stars, 1 star, or maybe a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? The single box is always a 1. I see only one single box. Single boxes is always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, no dual boxes. I see here a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box level 2 should be there. So the other 2 boxes should be the 1 and 3, 1 and 3. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Same for the other side. This box near the middle box, 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. Alright, more triple boxes? No. Then the following question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, here we have a quadra box, there a quadra box, and here a quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the box, the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. Alright, always a 5. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. This quadra box, these 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2, so 1 box level 2 in this quadra box should be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Okay. Here also a quadra box. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Okay. Then my next strategy. Is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here, okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only one shape, figure, construction, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only one shape that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes surrounding 2 can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 2. Because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Should be a 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4. 1 and 4. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this cross area should be there. 1 and 3. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If I place the 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 supposed to be here and the 1 goes there. 1 and 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2. But also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. And then, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, and is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and a 5. But we already have a 5 here in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. I marked those 2 boxes with 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 1. So the 4 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 2. Alright. 3, 2. 9. Okay. I think this box will be a 3 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. Should be a 3. Can be 4. We have a double 4 there. And can be a 5. Yes, definitely 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this quadra L shape for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and a 4, we have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Alright. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left with 4 in this quadra shape. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. Quadra L shape. Quadra shape. For numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Should be there. So the 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left with 4 in this area. Should be there, so 2 numbers left. The last 2, no, we have there 2 numbers. The 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the last 2 numbers in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5. It goes there, finish in 11 minutes. Well. Faster than 50 minutes. So should be a 1 star. Well, actually a 0 star because I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. So should be a 0 stars. Not a 3 stars, not a 2 stars, not a 1 star. A 0 stars. And we saw it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Thursday.